Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using one of these fragrance warmers from Dollar Tree. I take Crimson Red chalk paint by Waverly and paint the entire thing, the outside as well as the inside. After that was completely dry, I'm taking this glitter drape that I got from Dollar Tree and cutting a small round piece out of it. And then I'm going to be taking some tacky glue and applying that to the inside bottom of the wax warmer. After I have that all applied, I place down that piece of faux snow drape inside there. Just trying to get it as flat as possible on there. And then I am taking some small trees that I got from Dollar Tree as well as a snowman figure that I got from Hobby Lobby and hot gluing those to the inside on top of that snow. Next, I'm taking some snow text that I got from Amazon, but a lot of craft stores do carry it. And I'm just using a small paintbrush and dabbing that all around the edge of that opening. And I cover that completely. That is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.